J. Rossi made the beat.
Hey guys, so I'm back. So this is going to be a video on this hair. I have to do my intro real quick because I need to go get dressed. That's like always the case. I'm always running late somewhere. So I really wanted to do this style for you guys and use these clips. I got these from AliExpress. I think I said it in the video. But this hair is from Yolissa Hair. This is the box. It came a little beat up. This is a 14-inch lace wig, so it is a lot shorter than I usually get, but I did want to try something shorter because I just want to bring you guys a lot of different things, not just always long hair. And lately I've been loving lace wigs because I don't have to make a wig, so it's easier for me. Inside of the bag they did give, or inside of the box, I did get a elastic strap. I didn't use this. Also a wig cap. This one is like the brown color, so these are kind of like too dark for me unless I put some makeup to try to lighten it up. I haven't really tried them, but yeah, so that is the cap. And then they also did send a bag, which I really appreciate because it's great to store your wig in and you can throw the box away and it doesn't take up a lot of space when you're storing your wig. So this is the hair. I really like it. I think it is super glam. Today is actually my mom's birthday, so I think this is a really nice, pretty summer glam look. And then I did my makeup very colorful, but it's very glam at the same time. So I feel like this is like a pinup style, but very of the times right now. I didn't do my lips yet, but I need to hurry up and go get dressed because she's on her way to pick me up. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how I got this bomb glam hair. So here's how the wig looks on my head with the lace still attached, just so you can kind of see how it looks. Okay, so I cut the lace off of the hair. This wig is very thick, very dense. I did have to pluck it a lot. And the wig is just very full in general. But I'm going to go ahead and put it down. I think I'm going to do like a ponytail at the top with the back down or something like that, because it's nice and hot outside and I like the length of this hair. So I'm thinking one curls with a ponytail at the top with the back down. I'm just using my Got To Be gel. I probably should have used the clear one, but we're just gonna use this. This is what has been on my vanity, so that's why I've been reaching for it so much. So I probably need to switch out and start using the other one, but don't mind my hair. It is dirty, a mess. I need to wash it. So I'm gonna just lay the wig down. Take some spray. So y'all really already know how to do this, but I'm just doing a voiceover so it's not just dead on here. But basically I'm just spraying a little bit of hairspray on top of the gel, and then we're gonna melt it together by using the blow dryer just to melt everything down and make it nice and tacky. And then we can go ahead and apply the lace right on top of it, and it will stick right to it really good. Y'all ought to have this down because I've been showing y'all this in like every hair video. So I'm just laying the lace down. I do wish that I plucked it even more, but I did pluck this wig a whole lot, but I ended up cutting back the lace some, so that definitely took away from some of the plucking I did because I just cut it off. But basically I'm just going to go ahead and lay the lace down and then go ahead and tie it down so that it can melt into the skin really nicely and so that it won't move. And while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start curling the hair because this was a lot of hair. This hair is super thick and full, so I did go ahead and start curling it while I had it tied up and everything. And at first, like I said, I was going to do a ponytail at the top, but then I decided to go for this glam type of look with the side part. So basically after I've curled a little bit, I decided to go ahead and take the scarf off so that way I can go ahead and see exactly how I wanted to style the hair. I kind of played with it to see if I wanted it in a ponytail, and then I went ahead and just put my part in on the side, and I'm just combing it and, you know, getting my part where I want it to be at. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to just really lay that into place and make the part really lay down nice and flat and stand out. You can use mousse for this or water or whatever and tie the hair down. It works as well. But if you have a hot comb, it's a lot faster and easy to do it this way. So I'm just sectioning off the hair and taking some, pulling it up at the top. This is going to be like where my bang is at, or like my little swoop hump thing, whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep on wand curling the hair. I kind of just jumped through these clips because y'all already know how to wand curl. I believe this wand curl is a 1 inch, and it probably is from Numi. I've had these wands forever. They're really good quality, not sponsored, but yeah, I've had them for a long time and I haven't really had any troubles with them. So yeah, I just wand curled it, and then I jumped and went ahead and curled the bang as well. So you can already kind of see how the hair looks curled fully or whatever, and it's nice and full and very voluminous. So then I'm taking a little bit of mousse and just laying down the side area that is going to go behind my ear, and also kind of laying down where my little swoop hump is, just to make everything flow nicely together. And then of course I'm going to be doing my baby hairs. Since the baby hairs were on the side that they are on and it's not really facing the camera, it was really hard for me to show you how to do them. So I just kind of showed a little bit and then skipped over it, because y'all have seen me lay baby hairs in other videos. So you can check out other hair videos if you want to see how I laid the baby hairs. I have similar styles that I have done to this with the side part where you can see exactly how I do it. But I'm basically using a eyebrow razor to go ahead and trim the hair down and make the baby hairs there, because you don't want to leave the hairs long like this. It will not look as good as if you do go ahead and cut them down. And you can always brush them back up if there's a style you want to do. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead and cut them, and you can always make it work for a different style if you want to pull them up or whatever. So I'm just taking some mousse, and I'm going to take my edge brush and kind of start molding the hairs to the way that I want them to go. Whenever you start off, it's always figuring out which way you want them to go and all of that, how much hair you want to use, especially whenever it's a fresh new wig. So yeah, I'm just playing around with it and kind of seeing how I want my baby hairs to be, and this is how I ended up doing them. And then I'm going to just tie them down and let them lay into place, and then once I take off the scarf, this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna curl this piece again because I kind of like more volume. But for the main thing for this kind of look, or the main thing about this look that I wanted to do, was use my little diamond clips. I got these off of AliExpress. One says dripping and the other one says glam. So I'm going to put dripping on top and then glam on the bottom. So let me see. Because last time I tried to do this, I put my part on the other side and it was wrong. So I had to remember to part my hair on this side. And I'm used to wearing my part on the other side, so it was kind of hard for me to get everything right. Let's see. So now I'm applying my clips. I put y'all on to game with these. I will try to put a link down below where you can pick them up at, because I have seen so many boutiques and stuff selling these very overpriced, $20 and stuff like that. And I literally paid a couple of bucks for these. So I will probably go online and see what other different things they have that say different stuff, and probably pick me up some more, because they did take quite a while to come in, but it's definitely worth it if you're only paying a few bucks. I mean, if you need it ASAP, then you know, that's up to you if you want to pay $20 or however much these boutiques are charging. But yeah, they're really cute, and they have a lot of really pretty blingy accessory hair pieces that are out right now, and ones with pearls if that's what you like and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll try to put a link down below, and I'm just kind of fluffing up my bang area as well and just making the style come alive. Okay, so this is the finished look. To me, this is like a old Hollywood type look. I love doing this all the time, but it really looks very pinup-esque and like old Hollywood with it being this length, and I'm usually wearing longer lengths, so I really like it with this length. And I think the clips just give it like a glam factor. You could just put one in. They have ones that say different things, some derogatory terms, all types of stuff, but I just thought these were cute, and this is how they had it in someone's head, and it said dripping glam, and that's me all day. And I think this hairstyle embodies what it says, so I thought that I would just do this for you guys. And I really like how it came out with this hair. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with this hair because it was so thick and full, and I didn't think I was gonna like it down just because it is so full, but it actually came out super cute with this style. I need to get dressed, my mom. Okay, so yeah, that's the hair.